See there? Alkaline take him look at time and come out of him shell. You know why? Because they realize that nobody now listen to them. Nobody now use them. Nobody now remember them. So in order for them name call, them have to go out the door.
Uno now fi be a vendetta fans fi know say Alkaline now go up on the rhythm.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
Man, I don't know things set, you know. Yeah, man, I don't know Media Fox. People, you know them people more while. You see me? Just a regular day. You see it, but you see Kevin run out. Talk about of things. You see me? But you don't know Media Fox got to work. You see me? Yeah. At the end of the day, Alkaline are the main danger of dancehall. If you not talk about him, you better ain't nobody say nothing. You see it? Yeah, man, you know what things say, but we have to listen to what that brother you say.
Listen up. Remember this, you know. You watch all Vibes Cartel I do this, you know. And Sister Cartel I do it. And the man uplift himself even more by doing what I do. See it? The man take on the road. The man take picture with all our fans. Watch you know. Some of the artists are high from the fans. See there? Alkaline take him look at time and come out time shell. You know why? Because they realize that nobody now listen to them. Nobody now use them. Nobody now remember them. So
Yo. Yo, people, man, tell us, yo, the money are fool with the dog. That's why I have to rate Alka. Alka just give them something with that. You see, because everybody know why Alka out there right now. Alkaline have an album forward and him just a shoot some video. And the man say, yo, me there America and, you know, me a shoot some video at different places. And I say, alright. The album is special. I have to go back a yard and, you know, show the people them what is what. You see, because remember now, you're not going to see Alkaline just out there in the street as stray and a this and a that and a no. It's a reason. The first one at the downtown, he must shoot a music video. See, early morning, early Sunday morning. You don't know a superstar people are going to pull up. You see me, always Sunday morning, you don't know downtown kind of skanky them time there. You see me on a Sunday in the early morning there. So, a people who did it, I go see you don't know people bless him up, big him up and, you know, yeah, show him respect, same way. I do a video shoot, police block off the two sides of the road them. You don't know superstar in a place, that happen to anybody, any superstar, you understand? So, our next one forward out with you, him there, I think him say Aki Walk, you might do a video shoot, but you don't know superstar level. So you don't know say people are going forward out, people are want to take picture with him. You see me, you're not going to see Alkaline just walk up and down in a garrison and with a bag of man and all them thing. No. Alkaline been there when him just forward in the game. But now the thing different. You understand? The thing different right now. So what you see right now, it happen for a reason. Him have a project and him say, look here. Him say, I can't go back on my place. Alright. My place me there. Shoot my video and every little thing. Alkaline do things timely. You understand? And him do things for a reason. And at the end of the day, everything what him do, him always, him love him fans them. People been a take picture with Alkaline and a lot of these things. It's just that it's not a everyday thing. You see me? But at the end of the day, them people are lucky to get a few picture and everything. Because them don't know when them are going to see back Alkaline. But the reason why them get the chance at this moment is because you don't know video shoot and you know do a thing and it's not no ming. It's like to me, and I like, you see some man will go down to Nigeria and I keep meet and greet. It wasn't a meet and greet Alkaline though. It's a video shoot. But the man just feel like say, yo, I go to my place and do what I have to do and show people them say, yo, respect for the support and thing. But it's a video shoot. Everything what Alkaline do, it has to be a gain to his career. Like it has to be something where a part of a project or something. It not been a little idle thing and yeah. Alkaline, him fans them love them. Once you're a fan, you're gonna love the artist, you're gonna love the artist's music. You understand? At the end of the day, anyway him pull up for a reason, him fans are gonna there and big him up on them thing there. You see me? Cause overseas artists, superstar them. And I like them they out every day in them outer boats and fans and this and that. Paparazzi them are going at them vehicle. Why you see them outside of them? That's something them a go do. It's a reason why them outside. Them not go outside, oh, me I go walk the street. No. Them a go to a meeting, them a go to a concert or something. Yeah. You see me? Some of them know them man, you know, them not really have sense, you see it? Because them feel like the Alkaline a forward out to do some meet and greeting and no. The boss just have music video and all of them I could think there. Yeah. But at the end of the day, the fans are going to see him want to take picture. And the man say, alright, no problem.
In order for them name call, them have to go out the door. See him there downtown there take picture. A woman look at him and say, you're antisocial. Him look like him that don't know if you take a picture with the woman, but the woman say, you're antisocial. I mean, I look at it like Jano.
Yo, that youth a fool, you know, dog. I tell you, say them, him not no sense, you know. So, Alkaline the downtown. Yo, brother, I tell you that, dog. Yo, people. Yo, so by the time, them money, dog, I saw it go still, but we have to react to them more while, because one, people out there, say them not no sense when we explain it. So, Alkaline downtown, he might walk, right? The fans walk up. When she say antisocial, you know, she never said too antisocial if you say, yo, brother, you're too antisocial, way. And Alkaline wasn't there and a picture thing or whatever. The woman just bless him up and say, yo, antisocial. Do it. She say she rate how he move, she rate the antisocial style where him have. No buying to people, no give people him energy. That's what she mean. She say it in a respectful way. Say, yo, antisocial. Rate what you do. Do it, youth. You understand? And that she say. She never tell him, but no, yo, you're too antisocial. No. You don't get it wrong. You understand?
But you have to come out of that like a part there. Stop being so antisocial. Take 2 pictures with the fans. Laugh with them. Be a human being. Stop being so scared of people. You don't sing bad song, but yet you're afraid of people. Hear me, I say, man. And enough out there. I pray like hear me. You know they in a dance? I don't want nobody take no picture with you. You don't want people black. I call on the name. But you don't want to give black at them nothing to talk about.
Kevin, stop your nice, dog. You know no sense, brother. You come like you want everybody be cartel, that you want. Brother, if I understand, say, yo, cartel forward out from prison, you know, bro. At that, you know, realize, you know, brother. Cartel forward out from prison. Nobody never see him none at all, but no media or nothing. Man, lock up in a prison, them couldn't see him. So when people are going to finally see him after so much years now, it's going to be different. The fans them are going to want ray with him and all of these things. Alkaline always take picture with him fans them. Uno just in a different world. Enough people take picture with Alkaline, but uno just not see it. You see me? Uno just want, anytime uno feel like say it attached. Yeah, true cartel forward from prison, nobody not see him for 13 years and people and the fans and the ray and the this and that. That's a cartel personality. Cartel love the attention. So him go always out there on the media or out there in the street and all of them little thing there. Alkaline is not that guy. Whenever the fans lucky for book up Alkaline and take a picture and all of these things, yeah, they will get them picture and thing. Not because you don't see an artist out there in the media every day or in the street every day means say him not love him fans them. Remember, you know, brother, artists have things to deal with, dog. You see me? It's like you want artists to just come on out themselves and them little thing there. You understand? You want artists to get what? Personal with them fans and thing. At the end of the day, the fans are going to forward the show and them are going to there and sing because this one not forgot, you know. It's like, brother, remember say music make people know the artists them. It's not mingle with them. Because if them never did that do music, nobody would know them. You see me? Enough people wouldn't know them like how them know them now. So the music do that. You see me? It's not nothing but no fans are, yo, mingle with fans. And it's the music the people them connect them with. And I know every fans are going to get the chance to mingle with the artist. You see me? And I just saw the thing said. You see it? Because at the end of the day as an artist, you have to keep your value. You see me? Yeah, you have to keep your value. You can't just out there like a regular person. You're not a regular person. But that not look in a bad way if you say, yo, the artist afraid that people are no want to mingle with him fans. When that time forward, him go do that. Yes, see it there now. Alkaline there Jamaica, him a shoot him video, album a forward or whatever track him have for drop. Yes, people are go forward on him, go see what go on and you know, sometimes I say you have to move, dog. You can't make people tired of you, bro. The more people get tired of you, the more them lose respect for you, dog. You understand? Yeah. So whatever artist them a do, them have to do what them have to do. Them is not a regular person. We're walking on the street every day and walk on the corner, yo, big up my G, this and that. No, bro. You understand? But when that time forward, it a go forward. You see me? Yeah.
What we have to talk about if we're not soon in the street? If we no sooner go out there. See there? We see Mavado, boom Sunday. Now we see Alkaline, downtown. This is a great move. We want to start come out some more. And take picture with the fans. Take picture with the people them. I want to know.
Kevin, go sit down, brother. You think the artists them are obligation for come out and take. I want to tell that, brother. Ain't sick, you know. Yeah, man, him sick, man. Yeah, why you not be one artist and go there go take picture with all of your fans them? Yeah, man, go on everywhere, man, in whole line of Jamaica and go take picture with your fans them. Go and go do that. You understand? Because I know Alkaline fans them good. You see me, them just want them artists I do great out there and drop music with them love. You see me? I know heavy fans want they picture every time. You see me? Yeah. Some of the time them want wish them see them artists. Make them wish for see them artists more while. You see it? One day they must book up the artist and get them picture. You see me? Remember, he's an artist, he's not a photographer. You understand? So I know what you mean by artists out there take a bag of picture, bro. Alkaline always take picture with them fans them. You know just not see that. You see it? And that's the problem. Movado go boom boom over boom boom. Yeah, Movado and boom boom a G from way back. You see me? So the man them just do them thing and him just come show boom boom a thing. It don't really have nothing to do with Alkaline. Alkaline they downtown and shoot a video. You understand? Him never they downtown a try gain attention or gain a take picture with fans and no meet and greeting. A video him a do. But people they respect him and them go show that respect the by say yo big up and camera go up and every little thing. Yeah, I just saw a thing said.
Those are the people who pay your bills, who make you drive these nice cars, and make you wear a big chain and nice watch. Wanna feel like them Rolex and walk and buy themselves? And the fans them do it. So if you have fans who make you eat, and a smoke, and a drink, and money in your pocket, why you don't want to take picture with them?
So Kevin, why you not tell your artist to go back a Portmore, man, Waterford, go take picture with the people, man? Tell him that to the man. Make him go take picture of Waterford. It's same place where him fall from. We don't see him go over there, go do no link up and go take a picture. And that if you tell him, yeah, Alkaline, go back a film place and do him have to do and do him video and take. Tell Cartel to go over there. You see me? Yeah. If you ever tell Alkaline that, tell Cartel to go over Portmore, him forward back, go do some picture too. You understand? Yeah.
Tired of no man. Now big man. Attend to the fan base. Your fan base is who make you who you are. And the fan base can rip you down from where you are right now. This is for every artist.
For Alkaline, pan DJ Mac Rhythm. We don't know better than that. We don't see Vibes Cartel pani, we don't see Mavado pani and all. We don't know better than that. We don't know if be a vendetta fans. If you know say Alkaline now go pan the rhythm.
Yeah man, Alkaline run down hype, bro. And it's so funny, I don't know why they call Alkaline for the pan rhythm, bro. I kind of realize and you know, maybe through Mavado the pan rhythm and Vice Cartel the pan rhythm, them expect Alkaline. Because you know why? This was the same thing happening in Hurricane Melissa. Massacre forward out, Mavado forward out, Cartel forward out. So everybody a beat Alkaline now. Yo, where you there? You need to forward out and show the people them. Them always do this. I don't know why something can happen and them not involve Alkaline in it. I don't know how them do it. Because Maka do a rhythm, everybody a jump on the rhythm. Alkaline obligated to go on the rhythm, brother. I don't know how to have that in our head. Not because in peers like in a giant way, if you say, yo, them depend him for must have to go on it too, brother. I don't understand this. But look how much artists depend on the rhythm. Just make a rhythm go on easy, man, and do. You see me? Alkaline a focus on him album. You see it? So, I don't know. Because as me say, enough of them artists here, where even I go on the rhythm right now. I know if the rhythm here, if the wave never they run the rhythm, enough of them would want to go on it. I tell you that. You see me? And I just show, you know, Mac is a good youth and him just say, yo, let go rhythm and anybody can do them thing and Ray. You see it? But if Mac, before Mac drop the rhythm and Mac, they say, yo, I have a rhythm, you know. Yo, Ray. Enough of them wouldn't even pre for go on it. You understand? Enough of them wouldn't pre. But as me say, if not now go on for some artist career or so, yeah, go on the rhythm or thing, but enough of them would go on it if the rhythm never at. You understand?
We not see how Alkaline roll. Listen to me. Alkaline rollings is what keep him relevant up to today. Alkaline go on the rhythm there so easy. Me don't know what DJ Mac would need to do to get Alkaline on the rhythm there, but I don't think Alkaline is gonna go on that rhythm. Alkaline move exclusive.
Yeah man. Exclusive man. I tell you the man that does the thing different. And anything you can really get the man if you engage, you know. I tell you that. Because at the way how the youth move, Them a talk about, yo, you know, them always a say people, them always say, yo, the antisocial thing now go work for too long. Them been saying this from 2020, from what? 2013, from Alkaline Bus. How much years now, your antisocial thing now work, your antisocial thing now work. How this man so antisocial but film name always a call. All when him not have nothing to do with it. Imagine, big hurricane go on, right? And so much artists are donate and a help out. For sure, you know, people. Remember, you know, the artists them. Are them the artists them supposed to focus on. And them say Alkaline was so antisocial. Right? Remember, you know, antisocial. Them know how this man stay already. No say you him not deal with the media thing, him not forward out. Or no know. But look here now. The same antisocial where them say you antisocial thing now go work. Them end up a call him out. Eh? For sure, yo. I work, it a work. Whatever you to do, it most definitely a work because artists out there where you not hear are not see and them name not call. But Alkaline name call every day about something. Him name bring up about something. Imagine a youth when to use the media like that. Remember, you know, and I like him a purposely do it, you know. The youth does a do where artists up. If a video forget shoot, this and that. It's not like him have up a camera snap himself or nothing. The people may rate him. And where maybe first I seen them I go video him and all of them little thing there. You see me? So him just a do a project based on where him as an artist, what he do. Based if I go do an album or I do shoot a music video, yeah. That in line for your artist for, you know, supposed to do. So him not really do nothing much out of female energy like that. Cause at the end of the day, Alkaline, when I go see him on camera and all of them little thing the people have video him. But imagine a youth where them always say him fall off, them say him antisocial, them say yo, if him not do no put out no song with no video, nobody not go meds it, but when you check it, when him put out a audio or a song without video, them talk about it the most than enough of them artists. Yeah. Imagine. So it a work.
And him do it for a reason. Remember, you know, for years we have pressed Alkaline, say Alkaline, oh you not give Cartel him credit. Whenever you Alkaline do it. Nothing where DJ Mac go tell Alkaline. Now go make Alkaline go on the rhythm. Yeah. And the simple fact is everybody run go on the rhythm. So where everybody run go, Alkaline no run go did it. Whether you like Alkaline or you don't like him, you have to give him respect for him exclusiveness and it keep him relevant up to today. If I see Alkaline and this DJ Mac rhythm, believe me, I would be very, very surprised. Believe in me tell you that.
Yo people, him just say something a while ago. Man say yo, why Alkaline no give Cartel him credit? Me just not understand it, you know. Me don't know how them money a priest, brother. Like, bro, I look how you found out and say, yo, him respect everybody. What's so special of giving a man credit? Me not understand that. How much artists in a dancer? Me never know say Cartel like I ask Alkaline for credit if you put on him phone. Me not understand. What do you mean by give Vice Cartel credit? If Alkaline say him respect every artist in the business, what more? I don't understand that. So wait there. A Cartel alone forget credit in a dancehall? How much artists in a dancehall? I don't understand that. I don't understand. Like uno push people for give Cartel a special credit or what? I don't understand. One to the other is an artist them. Them not put in the work too. Eh? And that more I know. Cause Alkaline not obligated to give Vice Cartel credit. I don't understand. Him don't say him respect every other artist. And every other artist, him including that. He was Cartel no artist. And that more I know. So if a man say respect every artist, what the problem? I don't understand this, bro. You see it. So I just say things that here, people. People want Alkaline on the DJ Mac with him, but bro, enough of us know Alkaline move already. You see me? Don't expect the Alkaline for jump with a wave. Them man they not do them thing there. You understand? I think the whole dancer are supposed to know how Alkaline move. Cause more while them call out something I may say, bro, when you know this a youth a move like, brother, them man they look for clout and attention, bro. You understand? Them man stick to them. Say if them man that run down crowd and camera, bro, trust me, that'd be a different thing, brother. You da see him out there in the street and all of them little thing there, bro. I think Akiwa not see man for years. Years them not see him. You understand? Years them not see him. I saw them man they move. If you saw the man move around people, the man don't even talk. The man will go so, yo, respect. Yeah, man. I him that. The man have a lot of things on his mind. You see me? And as the man say, yo, he may take a phone call, him can't tell the fitness. You see me? So him just keep him energy. That's why I move so. You see it? But one of them thing there, you don't know. A dancehall me in danger, so him go always in at the main. You see me? And the danger was talking them. You see it? Him go always call him a center attention, everything. You see me? Yeah. So people, when I don't know, I want media facts, when I know things, I respect for the support. That is it.